지금으로부터 80여 년 전.
Right, annual rental income 80,000, which is strong. It's coming in an hour to negotiate on it.
은행가들의 대화를 엿듣고 있는 구두 닦이 소년 버나드. 그는 돈의 움직임에 관심이 많은 아주 영리한 아이였는데요.
6 multiple is reasonable.
Your other buildings are Conroe.
백인들의 사업 얘기를 주워들으며 최고의 은행가가 될 꿈을 키우고 있었죠.
Hey, what are you doing up there, boy? You spying on these white people's business? Huh? Get back here! Your dad's gonna hear about this!
당시 미국은 유색인종들이 은행에 드나들 수 없을 정도로 인종차별이 심한 때였었는데요.
What do you think them white folks would do if they knew you were spying on them? When I was growing up, I seen boys killed for less.
I was just trying to learn how they made money.
How did you learn all this? You're born the wrong color, son. This white man won't let him no matter how good at it you are.
그들은 구두 닦기나 청소 등 허드렛 일밖에 할 수 없었고 특히나 버나드의 고향인 텍사스에선 백인들이 그들과 대화하는 것조차 꺼려할 정도였습니다.
You really think it's gonna be so different for you? You go somewhere else?
버나드는 드디어 텍사스를 벗어나게 되는데요.
I can get you an interview there tomorrow.
Well, thank you, sir, but I came here to try my hand at real estate. Owning property and renting it out.
Well, I sure hope you close, son.
It's not a lot of colored real estate agents.
LA 역시 인종차별은 크게 다르지 않았고 그의 삼촌 디컨조차도 버나드의 도전을 비웃고 있었죠.
And then can't pay your rent?
You'll get your rent the first of every month, 1 month in advance.
My husband is a genius. You'll see.
Sorry, my dad was such a jerk last night.
Was he? I didn't notice.
Hey, nice car. Bernard, it's my friend Matt. Hey, you didn't tell me you had a rich uncle. Nice to meet you.
Hardly rich, and I'm his cousin.
You got a car, you're rich to me. Hey, good luck finding the right place. Hey, what's your cousin do for a living? He owns buildings.
이제 버나드는 본격적으로 집을 사러 다니기 시작하는데요.
Are you the owner of 12?
Hi, my name is Bernard Garrett. I'm a real estate investor. What's the asking price?
How can a price that high be sustainable given the current rents in the
How
neighborhood?
many units are in the building and what are they really? It looks to me the building needs a little work. Maybe we can negotiate that.
Right, I understand. Thank you for your time.
그는 투자 가치가 있어 보이는 적당한 건물 하나를 찾게 됩니다.
This is a white neighborhood, Bernard.
Well, it won't be white for long. Now with the neighborhood 2 blocks away bursting at the seams.
하지만 문제는 백인 동네에 있는 건물인데다 사실 돈도 충분치 않다는 사실이었죠.
What if I got us a co-investor?
결국 유니스는 결혼하기 전 일했던 클럽의 사장인 조를 동업자로 추천하게 되는데요.
Joe!
Eunice! You came back to me! Girl, look at you!
Oh, stop it. Behave now.
조는 돈은 좀 있어 보이는 자본가였지만 버나드가 보기엔 아가씨들을 양옆에 끼고 앉아 자기 아내에게 껄떡대는 남봉꾼으로밖에 보이지 않았죠.
You want a drink?
It's 4 p.m.
I know, you starting late. I have to make it strong. Jackie! Let's see if we can blow this stick out his ass.
No way am I doing business with that man. Now, he's a damn degenerate.
Oh, Bernard, please!
그에게 이제 남은 옵션은 집주인이 가격을 내리게 만드는 방법밖에 없었습니다.
Asking price is 40,000.
I can give you 30.
Why would I take 30 if I can get 35?
Well, the building needs renovations to unlock its value. Your tenants only occupy half the building, but another market will, like doctors, lawyers, teachers, looking for a place to move outside the ghettos that they've been forced into. No one is going after that market, but I can.
Your confidence is impressive. 10,000 less than asking is not enough.
Once I lease the units, I can give you your full asking price.
You want me to loan you $10,000 so you can buy my building?
그냥 납작 엎드려 산다고 해도 팔까 말까인데 가격의 4분의 1을 깎으려는 버나드가 황당하기만 한 집주인 파커.
For more than 3 times what the average American family make in a year.
2.4 times.
What?
The average American income in 1953 was $4,233. 10,000 is 2.4 times the average income.
Well, I admire your entrepreneurial gusto, but it's not the way I do business.
당연히 바커에게 퇴짜를 맞게 됩니다. 이제 버나드는 사무실 달력에서 본 그의 주거래 은행을 무턱대고 찾아가게 되는데요.
Hi, I'm Bernard Garrett. I'd like to speak with Mr. Reed, please.
I'm sorry, Mr. Reed is out. May I take a message?
하지만 당연히 상담조차 거부당하고
Mr. Reed can't meet with you right now, but I could take a message.
버나드는 은행장이 퇴근할 때까지 밖에서 기다리게 되죠.
Mr. Reed? Do I know you?
No, but you know Mr. Barker. I'd like a loan to buy one of his buildings. This deal will benefit Mr. Barker.
이제껏 백윤회에는 대출을 해준 전적이 없었던 은행들. 버나드가 실패하는 것은 너무나 당연한 상황이었습니다.
Keep looking, you're gonna find yourself another building.
버나드가 거의 포기하고 있을 무렵
Bernard, there's a phone call for you.
걸려온 한 통의 전화.
Hello?
Did you use my name to try and get a loan from Mr. Reed?
바커는 자기 이름을 팔아 대출을 받으려던 버나드가 괘씸했었던 모양이었습니다.
And do you think that follows normal business customs?
If I was following normal business customs, I'd still be a shoeshine boy in Texas, sir.
I didn't ask for your biography, Mr. Garrett. I asked if you thought it followed normal business customs.
No.
Good. Well, at least we can agree on that.
하지만
Reed wants to see you at the bank in the morning to sign off on that loan.
Excuse me?
I told him I'd act as guarantor.
사실 확신에 찬 버나드의 모습에 매료됐었던 바커.
Why are you doing this, Mr. Barker?
Because normal business customs are in place to screw people like you, Mr. Garrett. You went to see Reed knowing the deck was stacked because you have that much confidence in this deal. That tells me all I need to know about you.
이렇게 바커의 도움으로 대출을 받아 버나드는 당당히 한 빌딩의 주인이 되게 되죠. 그는 이제 비어있는 곳에 모두 새를 놓기 위해 수리를 시작하게 되는데요. 이곳에 새 들어 사는 한 할머니.
What are you doing here?
Just doing some renovations on the empty apartments. So if you need any improvements...
I don't need improvements. When he goes jacking the rent, he ain't jacking mine.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Barker was very clear about your lease when he sold me the building.
Don't you sass me, boy. This is a white building. You can't own this place.
버나드가 이곳에 있다는 것 자체가 기분 나쁜 듯 보였습니다.
Hey, man. Hey.
그때 서남의 직장 동료였던 맷이 일자리를 구하기 위해 버나드를 찾게 됩니다.
And you're fine with working for me?
Your money's green. That's the only concern about color I got. And I like the idea of watching you build a business. You know, it's something I'd like to do again myself one day.
맷은 얼굴이 하얗다는 이유 하나로 의시되는 보통의 백인들과는 많이 달라 보였죠.
So we want to scrape these railings up to the front, paint our way back, and then go back with the stucco.
얼마 후
Bernard Garrett, we received a complaint about you. Miss Cooper in apartment 28 is not like you working in the building.
그 할머니의 신고를 받고 쪼르륵 달려온 경찰들.
She said you were impersonating the owner of the building.
I do own the building, officer. All the paperwork's filed downtown.
할머니의 잘못된 정보로 출동했던 경찰이었건만
Try to be more respectful to your tenants.
집주인임에도 무슨 죄라도 지은 듯 취급받는 버낫.
You can't be here after 6 p.m.
A contractor can't be here after 6 p.m., Miss Cooper. I'm a resident. I'm moving in.
결국 할머니는 이곳에 살 수 없다며 이사 가버리고 말죠.
I hope your mother enjoys her new place.
Mrs. Garrett?
Yes.
Anita Jefferson. We spoke about leasing one of your apartments.
얼마 지나지 않아 버나드의 계획대로 건물은 전부 임대가 되었고
Impressive.
처음부터 그의 비범함을 눈여겨보았던 바커는
I have my eye on a place 2 blocks east of here. You interested?
그와 동업을 제안하게 됩니다.
50-50.
50-50.
돈이 되는 물건들을 알아보는 안목이 있는 버나드는 얼굴을 드러내지 않고 할 수 있는 전화 계약을. 바커는 이 계약을 매듭짓는 일을 하기로 하죠. 이렇게 버나드는 바커의 얼굴을 빌어 자기의 재능을 한껏 발휘했고 이들은 순식간에 12개 건물의 소유주로 발전하게 됩니다. 그러던 어느 날
You really sleeping in late?
Time to get up, dear.
갑작스런 심장마비로 세상을 뜨고만 바커.
Mrs. Barker would like to offer a buyout for your interest in all the Barker Garrett properties.
I have no reason to sell.
That's unacceptable. I prefer not to continue the arrangement.
This is outrageous. I own 50% of a dozen properties. You want me to give it up for pennies on the dollar?
I don't have to pay you anything. Your name doesn't appear on any of the deeds.
문제는 모든 서류에 바커의 이름만이 명시되어 있다는 사실이었습니다. 바커보이는 이것을 이용해 버나드의 지분까지 벗겨먹을 생각이었죠.
I will up my offer to 25 cents on the dollar. And if you see fit to refuse that, Mr. Garrett, you can walk away with nothing.
회사의 변호사조차도 그들의 동업 관계를 당연히 알고 있었지만
If you could find a witness, yes, but it can't be me. I could get disbarred for that.
그가 피부색이 다르다는 이유로 도와주기를 거부했고 마지막으로 버나드는 그들의 주거래 은행의 은행장을 다시 찾게 됩니다.
Mr. Reed can't see anybody without an appointment.
This is urgent.
하지만 이곳에 돈을 그렇게 많이 예치했건만 처음과 마찬가지로 문전박대를 당하게 되죠. 그때 기회는 위기의 순간에 찾아온다고 했던가요? 버나드의 머릿속에 감히 그 누구도 상상하지 못했던 발칙한 아이디어 하나가 번개처럼 스쳐 지나가게 됩니다. 바로 모든 은행들이 몰려있는 LA 최대의 뱅커스 빌딩을 사야겠다고 말이죠. 자존심을 죽이고 남봉꾼 조를 찾아가게 됩니다.
Eunice told me you had 2 or 3 income-producing buildings.
17.
17?
18 if you count the club.
You know this building.
Tallest commercial building in downtown Los Angeles.
I want to buy it.
버나드가 이런 생각을 했다는 것 자체에 제대로 충격먹은 조.
That's a mighty big building to buy on the most expensive land in the city.
I want us to buy it.
You know there's not a single owned building in downtown Los Angeles. And there's a reason for that. Convince me.
이제 버나드의 기가 찬 설득이 시작되고
The best place to learn about the present state of the real estate market is inside of a bank. We get that building, we'll be inside 12 of them. And next time, they'll think twice about refusing to make loans to us if we're their landlords.
은행에 발도 들일 수 없는 그들의 불이익을 상쇄할 수 있는 기발한 생각.
What about the thrill of taking it to the man in his own castle, no less?
조는 무엇보다 자신들을 발밑에 깔고 보는 그들에게 한 방 먹일 수 있다는 것이 더욱 신이 났었죠.
And just how in the hell do you plan on pulling that off?
하지만 문제는 흑인들에게 이 건물을 당연히 팔지 않을 거라는 사실이었지만 버나드의 머릿속엔 이미 향후 모든 계획이 세워져 있었습니다.
You want me to what?
Be us. To the rest of the world.
첫 번째 단추는 바로 바지 사장을 앞세우는 것.
You think I'm qualified for this? I don't know anything about banking. I don't know how to buy a bank.
We'll teach you everything you need to know.
That guy? Seriously? He can freeze up as soon as we send him in the room?
어리버리한 매시 조는 석연치 않았지만
Don't you know any other people who like to get paid to be our front man?
Well, not that I trust.
버나드에겐 신뢰할 수 있는 사람이 최우선이었죠. 사실 제대로 된 교육도 받지 않고 공장에서 일하던 맨 역시 이제하니 상당히 부담스럽기만 했었는데요.
Hi. You're Matt Steiner, right?
Hollywood High?
Yes. You were a few years ahead of me, but I mean, everybody knew who you were. What are you all sour-faced about?
New job.
Doing what?
You know, more like an investor.
So they're hiring you.
Kind of a partnership.
Partnership.
고등학교 후배 존예녀 수지를 만난 직후 언제 그랬냐는 듯 부담스러운 마음은 온데간데 없이 사라지게 되죠.
I'm in. Just teach me what I need to know. I won't lay you down.
최상류층 인사인 은행 건물주를 상대하기 위해선 그들과 같은 품위가 몸에 배어있게 하는 게 관건이었는데요.
Thank you. Thanks.
어리버리맷 상류층 때깔내기 프로젝트 첫 번째 골프.
Before you learn how to talk real estate, you got to learn how to talk to rich white folks. So it seems like you one of. You got 1 month to learn how to play golf. And I mean learn to play like you've been playing your whole life.
But you can fake math. You can't fake a golf game.
He's right about that, Joe.
Bernard, this is Don Silverthorne, my banker. Flew all the way down from San Francisco just to see how crazy we are.
Nice to meet you. Shit! Well, looks like I got my answer.
Keep your head still. No, you move.
If this charade's gonna work, you guys want me to finance, I just hope you don't offer over $2 million for that building.
I can get that building for under $2 million.
It's not you I'm worried about, Mr. Garrett.
I hit it.
It's him. The old way of valuing a building is the number of years rent it takes to pay off the price of a building.
두 번째, 사업 원리 농축해서 배우기.
Today, most people value buildings using the capitalization rate. So the cap rate is the multiplicative inverse of the 10 multiple we were just talking about. 300,000 equals 30,000 times M. M equals 10 years.
하지만 공부라고는 항상 뒷전이었던 맷. 뭔 소린지 도무지 이해가 가질 않는데.
Maybe we should start with a math review.
That'd be great.
어쨌거나 세 번째, 최고급 레스토랑 요리 자연스럽게 먹기. 이건 뭐 숲에 살던 타잔에게 문명사회 가르치는 수준.
Now multiply by 1.25.
1.25.
You have to carry the 4.
Which 4?
사실 아무리 가르친다 해도 가능성이 있을지조차 모르는 심각한 상태였었죠.
Sorry. 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 Hit it. I am hitting it.
그러던 어느 날
We about 50 yards from the green, so we're gonna use a wedge. And you wanna swing it about this hard. Remember, it's a wedge, so don't be scared to swing it. What else you gonna do?
Keep my effing head down.
소리부터가 다른 맷의 샷. 급기야 홀컵에 정확히 들어가고 마는데. 얼마 전 꼬질꼬질했던 맷은 어느새 사라지고 조금씩 희망이 보이기 시작합니다. 이제 버나드는 맷에게 최종 시험 문제를 내게 되는데요.
It has a $100,000 annual gross income, 8% vacancy rate, $12,000 annual operating costs, and I require a 10% cap rate. Where'd that go?
It's 800,000.
He's right.
He's right. He's right? We have created a monster.
와, 한 달 만에 인간 승리해버린 맷.
He's ready.
The Bankers Building is owned by Charles Renault.
자, 이제 은행 건물주 찰스 르노를 만날 차례.
I have arranged for you to bump into him at the Hancock Park Country Club.
맷이 우연히 골프클럽에서 르노를 마주친 것처럼 시나리오를 짜게 됩니다. LA 최고의 부자들만 드나든다는 행콕파크 컨트리 클럽에 도착한 맷.
Mr. Steiner, welcome. Arrangements have been made for you to use our club as a guest per our exchange program with your home club in Pennsylvania.
If anything goes south, you come find me.
That won't happen, Mr. Morris.
I don't always do great under pressure.
Come on. You're a natural.
Natural what?
Performer. You think I got where I am in life without being able to spot talent?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Steiner, Jackie says you're playing as a single, looking to be paired up.
Always looking for a good game.
드디어 그가 속여 넘겨야 할 목표, 건물주 르노를 만나게 됩니다.
Enjoying playing dress up?
You should try it sometime. It's thrilling.
그리고 골프가 평생 몸에 밴 사람처럼 환상적인 샷을 날려버린 맷.
So we're really gonna do this now.
If by we you mean you.
다음날
Make me proud, son.
He's gonna claim he's renting for 20 cents a square foot. It's poppycock. It's more like 15.
I'm gonna test you. Probe.
You give him the slightest reason to doubt your command of the numbers, so you gotta impress him.
Okay, we leased at 20 cents a square foot. That's $272,880 gross per year, 80,000 expenses, $192,880 profit. 10% cap rate on that would get us to $1,928,880. 25% premium on that would be $2,411,100. That's what you're offering. I'm interested.
버나드의 말처럼 맷이 물렁한 상대인지 시험하는 르노.
Here's my problem, Charles. I know you have leases at 15 cents a square foot. Now, big, long-term leases, so even if you have a few suckers paying 20 cents...
Fine, call the average 18 cents, so that would be a net income of...
$245,592, but that's unimportant. I mean, if you want to show me your leases and prove it, okay. Otherwise, I'd call it 15 cents a square foot.
하지만 미리 연습한 대로 맷은 정확한 수치로 기선제압을 하기 시작하죠.
15's too low.
15 is generous, especially when you factor in vacancies, which are at least 9%.
Less than that.
I counted 12. If you want to bullshit someone about your vacancy rate, you need light shining in all those unleased spaces by 4:30. But those vacancies would take you to 13.5 cents a square foot.
We'll fill some of those.
Let's call it 16 cents.
이렇게 협상 테이블에서 먼저 300야드 티샷을 날리는데 성공하게 됩니다.
That's a $1,383,000 valuation at a 10% cap rate. But, of course, a 10% cap rate is too low for this market, which would be $1,152,533 underlying valuation.
$1,152,533.
How do you do this in your head?
Practice. There's no way I can do this math. But, maybe I could fake it? Yeah, I got a pretty good memory.
All of it.
그동안 하도 안 써서 녹슨 수준이라 그렇지.
Hustler to hustler.
그래도 제법 머리가 좋았던 맷.
Bernald's going to challenge you on the cap rate, so you need to get ready for it. So I want you to memorize the 10.5% cap rate scenario as well.
But this is downtown. The risk here is very low. Firm on the 10% cap rate.
Which we're not going to take. Not with a 25% premium going to him. The 10.5% cap rate means $1,317,000 underlying. With the 25% premium, that's $1,646,250. Too high.
Yeah, that sounds too high.
So maybe you can sell him a choice.
But if you want us to value this building at a 10% cap rate in a booming market where we can get 12% elsewhere, we're not going to give you an instant 25% profit in the markup. I'll tell you what. I'll give you two options. We get an 11% capital return rate, and you get your 25% profit in the markup. Or we get a 10.5% cap rate, and you take an 18% instead of a 25% markup.
날고기던 억대 자본가 르노는 맷의 소나기에 휘둘리고.
But he can't help you.
정신 못 차리는 사이 마지막 딜까지 선수 쳐버린 맷.
You're not what I expected, Matt Steiner. I'll take the latter. How'd I do?
You left $17,000 on the table.
What's the number?
$1,554,060. But we can call it an even $1,560,000 if you leave me that desk.
결국 르노가 처음에 제시했던 $240만 에서 3분의 1 이상이나 깎은 가격으로 건물을 매입할 수 있게 됩니다.
I can't believe it worked.
I can.
Tomorrow we meet the tenants, introduce ourselves as Matt's partners, and watch the jaws drop.
이렇게 그들이 감히 드나들 수 없었던 뱅커스 빌딩에 건물주로서 당당히 발을 딛게 된 조아 버나드. 버나드의 예상대로 건물주가 된 후 대출을 받는 게 용이해졌고 맷을 앞세워 이제 본격적으로 집들을 매입하기 시작한 이들. 몇 년 사이에 버나드와 조는 로스앤젤레스 172개의 건물주가 되었고 LA는 더 이상 백인들만 거주할 수 있는 지역이라 할 수 없게 됩니다. 고향을 떠나온 지도 어언 10년. 이제 버나드는 아버지를 만나기 위해 고향 텍사스로 내려가게 되는데요.
Daddy met the vice president.
Really now? LBJ.
He came by the Bankers building.
Yes, sir. You're doing so well out there in Los Angeles. Guess you were right.
소년 버나드를 비웃었던 것이 이제는 부끄럽게 느껴지는 아버지.
I don't think it's California. I'm proud of you, son.
하지만 고향 텍사스의 인종차별은 예전보다 더 심해진 듯 보였습니다.
Well, I found separated, Dad.
음수대조차도 인종별로 나누어져 있었죠.
I'm sorry you had to see that. Hey, how much for a shine?
Only do white folks here, sir.
이런 고향 텍사스는 버나드의 히어로 기질을 또다시 발동시키게 되죠.
What the hell do we know about banking?
메인랜드 은행을 매입해 모두 은행을 이용할 수 있도록 하려는 계획이었습니다.
Owning a bank is like owning the other side of the real estate business.
법적으로 은행을 사는데 아무런 문제는 없었지만 소유주가 그들이라는 게 알려지면 예금주들의 반발과 더불어 은행의 안정성이 흔들릴 수 있다는 리스크가 문제였었죠.
We can't set foot in a bank in Texas unless we the help.
We get Matt to front for it.
And work as a janitor in a bank you own.
Matt comes to me with the bank business at the end of every day. Joe, think about all the good we can do for the community down there. Help them buy homes, start businesses. We can make a lot of money.
We make a lot of money now. This is social activism, Bernard. There's plenty of other ways to do that.
조의 말대로 버나드는 그들 사회에 이바지하기 위해 은행을 매입하기로 원했고
I understand if you don't want to partner with me on it.
다른 동업자를 구해서라도 계획을 꼭 성사시킬 심산이었습니다.
This is a bad idea. But it's even more bodacious than us buying that banker's building. All right, I'm in.
얼마 후 은행 매입을 위해 메인랜드 앞에 도착한 이들.
For the record, I say you guys are out of your minds. Completely out of your minds. You ready?
A bank makes a profit by selling loans for more than it costs to get the money needed to make those loans.
이번에도 은행 업무에 대한 교육은 완벽하게 끝이 난 상태였었죠.
Let's go.
Robert
Florence.
Robert Florence Jr. My son's guaranteed a position to protect my remaining 20% interest. He'll be reporting directly to you as the new bank president, Mr. Stein.
That's right. Who are Bernard Garrett and Joseph Morris? My financial partners in Los Angeles. Honestly? Because they're too rich to bother. That's why they have me. No offense, but they have hundreds of these investments across the country. Well, that's great for them.
이렇게 불가능이란 말이 무색할 정도로 백인들만의 전유물이었던 은행을 수월하게 인수한 버나드.
Congratulations, you are now the owner of your hometown bank.
버나드는 바로 비밀리에 유색인종들을 상대로 한 대출 잠정 고객들을 찾는 작업을 착수하게 되는데요. 이로 인해 텍사스의 수많은 사람들이 새로운 사업을 시작하고 자신만의 집을 소유할 수 있게 됩니다.
We bought 2 new pieces of equipment, doubled our revenue in 3 months.
버나드는 그들이 돈을 벌 수 없게 만들어진 이 말도 안 되는 세상을 조금씩 바꾸어 나가고 있었죠. 그러던 어느 날
You approved 14 new loans this week?
갑작스런 대출 증가로 수상함을 감지한 은행주 아들 플로렌스.
You knew I was going to start signing off on loans directly to jumpstart things. I haven't seen that many viable applicants in 1 week since I've worked at this bank. Where are you finding all these people? We're casting a wide net.
사실 은행장이 될 뻔했던 그는 매세 출연으로 갓들이나 심기가 불편한 상태였었고 뭔가 꼬투리 잡을 일을 찾고 있었던 듯했죠.
You're late.
Florence discovered the clones. He's been wary of me from the beginning. Now he's watching me like a hawk.
게다가 거대 사업가로 알고 결혼했던 수지 역시
I hate it here.
맷을 의심하기 시작하는데
When you started with them, you said they were going to make you a partner.
Yeah, and
A partner isn't on a salary. A partner's an owner.
I will be. And on the next bank we buy.
That would be something.
다음 날 급기야 우려했던 일이 터지고 맙니다.
You're Joe Morris? Would you follow me here? Just trying to understand who really owns my bank. You boys are famous. That's you and Vice President Johnson, if I'm not mistaken.
플로렌스는 버나드와 조가 피부색이 다르다는 이유만으로 그들을 협박하기 시작했고
But if this town found out that not only was their bank regularly making loans, it was actually owned by 2 of them, there'd be a run on the bank.
Took you 3 months to figure it out.
You boys think you're so smart.
Oh, we are, for a couple colored boys.
You couldn't just make a loan here or there to your kind. You had to make 19 of them right off the bat. They're moving our yearly inspection up 2 quarters. That's a month from now. Because of anonymous reports, we're making unsafe loans.
이미 재무부에 꼬질러 얼마 후 감사가 들이닥치게까지 계획해 놓았죠.
What do you want?
To protect my investment. This bank collapses, my 20% is worthless. And you should have known you couldn't keep this a secret very long.
We're gonna have to stop giving out loans until after this inspection.
What about the ones already on the books?
그리고 기회는 이때다 싶어 말을 꺼내는 맷.
We should buy another bank.
Okay, the Bank of Marlin is small. You can purchase it outright for $274,000.
작은 은행을 하나 더 사 대출을 옮기고 정부의 감시에서 벗어나자는 계획이었습니다.
It's an interesting idea, but Joe and I don't have $274,000 in cash laying around.
Bank of Marlin has $2 million in deposits, but it's only made $1 million in loans, which is why it's not making a profit. So we buy the bank. We use that extra $1 million in deposits to purchase loans from an aggregator. The whole package is for sale for $971,000.
That doesn't help the cash flow problem for Joe and me.
But if you and Joe incorporate as brokers, the Bank of Marlin can pay you a commission of close to $200,000 on that package of mortgages.
그동안 배운 경제 수업으로 제법 그럴싸한 방법을 제시하는 맷.
That's an awful lot of commission on $1 million package of mortgages.
Maybe, but it's completely legal. It cuts your investment by 2/3. The bank stays profitable, and we keep loaning to those. Everyone wins.
It sounds too good to be true.
다소 리스크가 따르는 계획이었기에 버나드는 거절하게 되지만
I just don't think it's the right time for us to pick up a second bank in Texas. And I'm here overseeing you and Mainland Bank, which I can't even get in the front door of.
Oh, you won't have to if you let me run this one. I'd co-own the next bank. We even put it in the contract.
3 months ago, you didn't know the first thing about banking.
I can't become my own man here, then I think I need to resign and go back to LA.
이제 자기가 없으면 안 된다는 거라는 맷은 반협박조로 배짱을 부리고
Now, we gotta buy a kid with 90 days of banking experience his own goddamn bank.
어쩔 수 없이 투정 부리는 아이 장난감 사주듯 맷에게 턱하니 은행 하나를 사주게 되죠.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to say I'm excited to work with all of you. We're going to do great things with this bank.
그 대신 차 선책으로 유니스가 청소부로 변장해 맷 주변에 머물기로 합니다.
12th loan in the package. It's that one right there.
버나드가 면밀히 조사한 결과 다행히도 그들이 대출조합에서 살 대출의 담보들은 모두 안정적이었고
Just be sure the documentation matches exactly before handing over any money. And contact that lawyer I told you about in Houston. I worked with him before, O'Keefe, Michael O'Keefe. I trust him.
Thank you again for doing this so quickly. How are the underlying loans looking? Solid. You can start signing the contracts now.
변호사를 통해 확실한 검증을 받은 후 대출들을 사들이게 됩니다.
I just wrote a check for $971,000.
You're a natural businessman. They're lucky to have you.
No, I'm the lucky one. I'm learning from people a lot smarter than I am.
And they're not smarter than you. I mean, they can't be.
They're my friends. Hello.
하지만
I've got 4 white customers here saying they want to withdraw their money from the bank because they think it's owned by the National Association for the Advancement.
This was on the door at Mainland.
계속되는 플로렌스의 방해 공작으로 메인랜드 고객들이 모든 예금을 인출해 가기 시작했고
Considering Florence probably the one who started and spread the rumors herself.
Matt Steiner. I'm an examiner with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency.
애송이 맷이 혼자 있는 말린 은행에 갑작스레 조사관까지 들이닥치게 되죠.
Federal Bank Examiner just left my office.
I thought that wasn't until next month.
No, I'm at Marlin, not Mainland.
This can't be chance.
Matt's not ready.
발등에 불이 떨어진 버나드. 결국 버나드는 끝까지 하지 않으려 했던 청소부 복장을 하고 은행 안으로 잠입하게 됩니다. 이제 조사관의 본격적인 질문 공세가 시작되고
As of close of business Friday, the total number of loans delinquent beyond 60 days was under 5%.
Yes,
What was the exact percentage?
3%.
We are discussing confidential information. Take me through this transaction.
That's a package of loans we bought to increase our loan to capital ratio.
Read the description myself. I'm curious about this related charge. $189,186.04 to Valley National Mortgage Company. There's no description for that.
It's a broker's fee.
급기야 버나드가 우려했던 대출 패키지 수수료가 문제가 되고 말죠.
Okay, let's turn to the loans themselves.
은행에 대한 아무런 기초 상식이 없는 맷. 디테일한 설명을 요구하는 조사관에게 당연히 만족스러운 답을 할 수 없었고
Show me the methodology you used to justify that book value.
I have an expert to do that.
Bring him in, please.
But I can, check his files.
가까스로 핑계를 대고 화장실로 향한 맷.
He wants to know the exact methodology we used to value the loans in the package. Okay. It's a standard present value equation. This is an individual loan's monthly payment schedule. Now, adjust that with the risk factor for default, standard 5% in Texas.
Tear that out for me.
You can't go in the room with that piece of paper. It's got Bernard's handwriting on it.
Your bank. This is your bank, Matt. Now pull it together and go out there and save it.
Let me see that one more time.
간신히 다 외워 사무실로 돌아왔건만
I have the methodology. Put a pin in that.
그건 제쳐두고 다른 문제를 제기하는 조사관.
This loan's gonna have to be sold off immediately. Well, that loan is for $21,000. Your capital account is $200,000.
Okay.
The National Banking Act specifies that no bank shall have a single loan on the books that exceeds 10% of equity capital.
Okay, but this one's only 4,000.
It's for a 25-year term. Same with this one. Bank of this size is limited to 20-year terms.
그런데 이상한 점은 법에 저촉되는 대출들이 장부에 끼어 있었다는 사실이었는데요.
How the hell did these loans get in the package?
I don't know.
I looked over every individual loan, Matt. There was nothing over $20,000, nothing over 20 years.
How the hell did our lawyer miss that?
Well, I couldn't use O'Keefe.
What?
사실인즉슨 바보 멍충이 맷이 플로렌스를 덥석 믿고 그가 추천한 변호사를 고용했었던 것이었죠.
Florence! He switched the goddamn mortgages.
Why? Why would he do that?
To kill Marlon.
What does he get from that anyway? It's
Leverage. We have to sell 27 bad loans in a week and cover all the markdowns ourselves. We're going to lose $300,000.
Oh, you could let it close.
결국 버나드는 매입한 지 한 달도 채 되지 않은 말린은행의 문을 닫기로 결정하게 되죠.
I'm not gonna lose Marlon. There's got to be something I can do.
I'm sorry, Matt. I know it was your baby, but I need you to focus on mainland now.
하지만 이제 겨우 사장 명함 달게 된 맷. 당연히 포기할 마음이 없었고
Yeah, this is Joe.
Called me yesterday to say Matt Steiner managed to get all must-sell loans off Marlon's books.
급기야 엄청난 일을 저질러 버리고 맙니다.
Who the hell would pay face value for those piece of shit loans?
Mainland Bank in Willis, Texas.
So what?
It's just temporary.
It's fraud.
No, if we classify them differently.
If you keep this up, you're going to sink both banks, Matt.
그때 딱 맞춰 메인랜드의 통화감사원들이 쳐들어오고
The Treasury Department has revoked Mainland's license to do banking.
Mr. Steiner, you're fired. I'm going to need to escort you from the building now. Please leave the ledgers where they are.
The United States Treasury Department has closed this bank until further notice.
하루아침에 두 은행을 날리는 사상 초유의 사태가 벌어지고 맙니다.
I'm so sorry. I thought that I could say.
Get out of my face.
게다가
Bernard Garrett and Joseph Morris?
Yes.
FBI, you're under arrest.
경찰까지 출동해 조아 버나드를 체포하게 되는데 이미 플로렌스가 은행 자금 불법 남용을 빌미로 정보를 흘렸었던 것이죠.
The state banking charges have all been dropped. The federal charges, however, are all still in place.
결국 버나드와 조는 청문회에 출석해 그들의 죄를 자백해야만 하는 상황에 놓이고 맙니다.
It's my feeling that we're in a political space here. Well, Senator John McClellan of Arkansas is holding a set of hearings on federally funded banks. The goal seems to be to shit all over the so-called lax oversight that our Treasury provides.
So what does that have to do with me?
We need to change these laws. And I mean quick. Like these can own banks and loan money to others.
That.
하지만 이들은 자유를 들러 죄를 인정할 것을 강요받게 되죠.
You have a choice now. Take the immunity deal, go in there. You took advantage of lax rules in order to enrich yourself.
2020년 애플 TV 플러스 더 뱅커는 실제 인물과 사건을 재구성한 실화 영화인데요. 버나드가 당시 인종차별의 한계를 딛고 어떤 식으로 투자를 하고 그 한계들을 극복하며 돈을 벌어들이는지 흥미로운 구성으로 잘 짜여져 있는 영화인데요. 영화를 통해 1950년대 당시 인종차별이 얼마나 심했는지를 상세하게 보실 수 있고요. 특히 은행가들 중심으로 금융 경제와 관련된 내용들, 건물 가치를 구하는 방법이나 부채, 위험률 등의 유용한 정보들이 자세히 설명되어 있어 실질적인 금융 지식을 얻는데 굉장히 도움이 될 수 있는 영화이기도 할 듯 싶네요. (1988년) 라스베가스.
Come try Go, Asia's favorite game. How are you, sir? Go, go, go. Come on, wanna play? Like chess?
자기가 만든 바둑 게임을 팔기 위해 판촉을 하고 있던 행크. 가뜩이나 관심 가져주는 사람도 없는데 게임 팔라고 데려다 놓은 알바생까지 다른 부스 게임을 하고 있어 완전 열받아 있는 상태였는데요.
Paying you to sell my game, not play other people.
Relax, Hank. This game's swell.
그런데 행크가 보게 된 게임은 바로
It's a combination of Tetra, Greek for four, all the game's pieces are variants of four, and tennis.
Yeah, supposedly, the Russian inventor, he likes tennis.
지금까지도 오락실 필수 요소로 자리 잡고 있는 그 레전드 게임 테트리스였죠.
That was the most beautiful thing I'd ever seen, Eddie.
Heard that line before.
No. I played Tetris for 5 minutes.
행크가 테트리스와 사랑에 빠지는데 걸린 시간 5분 남짓.
I still see falling blocks in my dreams.
행크는 이 게임이 얼마 안가 전 세계를 사로잡게 될 거라 직감하게 됩니다.
It's the perfect game. Do you have the video game rights?
Mirrorsoft control all rights on all platforms.
Is Japan available?
행크는 일본에서 블레 소프트웨어라는 작은 게임 회사를 운영하고 있었는데요.
You took the money you owed this bank for your failed video game to buy yet another video game?
Correct.
전 재산 통틀어 미러소프트로부터 컴퓨터 게임기, 오락실 저작권까지 모두 사들이게 되죠.
Tetris is already a hit.
Where?
Russia.
There is no video games business in Russia.
It all began with a guy named Alexei Leonidovich Pajitnov 4 years ago.
사실 이 게임의 원 개발자는 소련 과학센터에서 일하던 알렉세이란 프로그래머였습니다.
His computer, a Stone Age Soviet piece of crap called an Electronica 60, didn't even have a graphics card. His falling blocks were parentheses pushed together.
당시 공산국가였던 소련에서 개인 사업을 하는 것은 불법이었기에 알렉세이는 그냥 테트리스를 무료로 배포하게 되는데요. 이것은 소련 전역에 순식간에 퍼져나가 얼마 후 직장인들이 일 끝나고 1시간씩 꼭 해야 하는 중독성 있는 게임이 돼버리고 말죠.
But this is the Soviet Union, remember? It would take an entrepreneur to actually go there and monetize it. That was Robert Stein 2 years ago.
이 게임을 처음으로 수익한 사람은 영국의 로버트 스타인이란 사람이었는데요. 헝가리에 불법 유통되고 있는 테트리스를 처음 보게 된 후부터였었죠. 스타인은 저작권 협의를 위해 알렉세이와 끊임없는 접촉을 시도했고
А мне можно это сделать?
Нужно спросить начальство. Вы в орге?
Да, мы можем. Отправляйте факс.
결국 컴퓨터 관련 수출입을 독점하는 소련의 국영조직 엘로르그가 이 게임의 가치도 모른 채 헐값에 팔아넘기게 됩니다.
Once the Russians had made a deal with Stein, his next appointment was back in London with Robert Maxwell.
이후 스타인은 사업 확장을 위해 미디어검을 미러소프트와 손을 잡게 된 것이었죠.
And this is my son.
I can introduce myself, Father. Kevin Maxwell, CEO of Mirrorsoft.
Now that's the type of businessman us bankers actually approve of. Maxwell pays his debts.
이 미러소프트로부터 일본 전역 테트리스 저작권을 산 행크는
Because you're not gonna believe where I was yesterday.
게임계의 대명사로 불리고 있는 거대 기업 일본 닌텐도사로 무작정 쳐들어가게 되는데요.
I have a meeting with Hiroshi Yamauchi, your CEO.
Not in book.
Could I use your restroom before I go?
On the left.
Left.
Okay. Hi, I have a meeting with Mr. Yamauchi. I want
Mr. Rogers, you're trespassing. Mr. Rogers is out of town.
So I know that's not true because I saw him arrive this morning and his car is still outside.
돈이 될 만한 물건을 들고 배짱 있게 쳐들어온 행크. 닌텐도 사장 히로시 야마우치는 그를 바로 사무실로 들이게 되죠.
Not too bad.
Really?
We'd buy you out for 500,000.
Woo!
500 grand? Hank, let me get you that drink.
I told them no.
당시 집 다섯 채는 살 수 있는 50만 달러를 뿌리쳐버린 행크.
I got a bigger vision, Eddie. I'll publish it and cover all upfront costs.
We publish our games in-house. We don't use outside partners.
But you do make exceptions.
하지만 행크는 닌텐도에서 한 번도 시도하지 않았던 파트너십을 역제안하게 됩니다.
That's why Mario has Luigi. That's why Zelda has Link.
행크의 영리한 사업수단과 능청스러운 말발에 금세 매료되고만 사장 히로시.
カートリッジを20万作ってもらえへんか
We want you to make 200,000 cartridges.
I need a check for $3 million. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Eddie. Nintendo. It's a license to print money.
You feel that strongly about it?
Yeah, clearly.
얼마나 엄청난 게임이길래 닌텐도 사장 히로시까지 구워 삶은 행크를 보는 행장은 300만 달러라는 역대급 금액을 기꺼이 내어주게 되죠.
Pioneers have to bet the house to win.
But not literally.
Have you ever heard our apartment this quiet before? This is gonna work. I promise.
皆さん、私たちは大きな失敗した。私たちは大きな出版社になった。
결국 행크의 블랙 소프트웨어는 순식간에 닌텐도와 손을 잡은 제작사로 거듭나게 됩니다. 하지만 행크의 설레임과 흥분도 잠시뿐.
Bulletproof, Hank speaking. Yes, hello, Mr. Rogers. Kevin Maxwell, CEO of Microsoft.
이미 행크가 일본의 모든 저작권을 샀음에도 불구하고
Well, it turns out we already licensed arcade to Sega in Japan.
돈을 더 많이 받아낼 수 있는 대기업 세가에게 오락실 저작권을 넘겨버린 케빈.
No. You signed your end. I've yet to sign mine.
Do you want PC and video game or not?
하지만 컴퓨터와 게임기기 저작권이라도 사서 하려면 그냥 입 닥쳐야 하는 상황이었죠.
We just lost arcade rights.
ヒロさん、アーケードの作業をストップしてちょうだい。
행크는 이제 히로시에게 도움을 요청할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Yamauchi-san. Kevin Maxwell pulled a piranha plan on me. He reneged on my arcade rights, and I really need a mushroom to stay alive. Can I get an advance on my future Nintendo residuals, please?
Mr. Yamauchi invites you to meet his Nintendo colleagues in Seattle. We might have something to help you out.
히로시의 말을 무작정 믿고 북미 닌텐도로 향한 행크.
The intersect.
시애틀에 있는 닌텐도는 히로시의 사위 아라카와가 맡고 있는 미국 지사였었죠.
Minoru Arakawa, president of Nintendo of America.
Hank, goddamn Rogers. Welcome to Seattle. Howard Lincoln, Senior VP, Chief Legal Counsel.
Sign this.
An NDA? Why? Because only 10 other people in the world have seen what you're about to see, and to be honest,
행크는 그곳에서 더 이상 오락실에 목매지 않아도 될 엄청난 물건을 마주하게 됩니다.
this gives you 30 hours of gameplay. All for $89.
What's it called?
It's called the Game Boy.
게임 역사에 커다란 획을 그을 개인용 게임기 게임보이. 심장이 터질 듯한 감동을 받은 행크.
We're launching in June, and we want publishers like you to be on the lookout for new games.
행크는 세계 최고의 게임이라 자부할 수 있는 테트리스를 아라카와에게 선보이게 되는데
Gentlemen, if you want to sell a couple 100,000 Game Boys to little kids, package them with Mario. But if you want to sell millions of Game Boys, young and old, around the world, package them with Tetris.
테트리스는 아이들만의 전유물로 생각됐던 게임 사업을 모든 연령으로 확장해줄 신의 한 수임이 분명해 보였죠. 이제 행크는 게임기 저작권을 사기 위해 영국 미러소프트사를 찾게 됩니다.
I'm doing my best.
No, do not say that. No, you're not doing your best.
The Soviets are not stupid, but they're refusing to engage with me on arcade rights until I pay them for the royalties I owe them on the computer games.
그런데 오락실 저작권을 가지고 있지도 않으면서 행크와 세가에게 저작권을 팔아넘겼던 이들.
If I'm interrupting, I can...
Not at all. We were just talking Tetris, actually.
Before I forget, this is For the Soviets, per my contract, it's a gameplay tape of Japanese Tetris.
You could have mailed it. You could have saved yourself the trip.
Yes, but then I wouldn't be able to talk to you about handheld Tetris. What I couldn't figure out is who controls the rights.
Mr. Stein controls all the exclusive worldwide licensing rights. That's it.
Fantastic. Then I would like to buy your worldwide handheld rights.
게다가 케빈은 닌텐도에서 휴대용 게임기를 제작하고 있다는 사실까지 눈치채게 됩니다.
We'll consider your offer, Hank.
I can handle this, Father.
Haven't made one yet.
Have a splendid time in London. And do not bother coming back here without fully executed contracts, including handheld Tetris.
Mr. Stein, you don't control handheld rights?
I didn't say that. I said it's complicated.
I'll pay you $25,000 to secure me worldwide handheld rights.
저작권이 없음에도 있는 척 휴대용 저작권을 또다시 팔아넘긴 스타인. 그런데 더 어이없는 것은
Listen, I just heard that Robert Stein is selling handheld Tetris to Atari. For $100,000.
그 있지도 않는 휴대용 테트리스 저작권을 미국 아타리사에 스타인이 또다시 돈을 주고 팔았다는 것이었습니다.
You know how much we hit those motherfuckers?
I paid Stein to get me handheld rights.
Are you selling handheld Tetris to Atari behind my back?
Kevin, good to see you.
Do not call me Kevin. We are not chums. Or have you forgotten your contract? We're through.
I'm gonna go to Moscow.
Wait, hold on. You can't just go to the Soviet Union, Hank. You need a business visa, a full background check. It takes months.
행크는 자신의 모든 것을 쏟아부었던 테트리스 저작권을 직접 따기 위해 소련으로 가기로 결정하게 되죠.
That still considers America enemy numero uno.
Okie dokie.
관광 비자 하나 딸 안 가지고
You're Danish, huh? No, I'm Dutch.
Kid, you sound American.
살아서 돌아올 수 있을지조차 모르는 공산국가로 무작정 날아가게 됩니다.
I don't suppose you know where I can find a LORG, do you? Otherwise known as Electronorg Technica. It's a government body.
No as in you don't know, or no as in you're not gonna. A LORG. You know, phone number?
모두 입에 자크를 달았는지 대꾸조차 해주지 않는 이곳의 사람들.
Salutations!
행크는 운 좋게 사샤라는 통역사를 만나게 되는데요.
Where I really need to go is a LORG?
그녀의 도움으로 간신히 엘로르그 건물을 찾아
This is not America. Entering a government structure without invite is highly illegal. Документы.
무턱대고 쳐들어간 행크. 결국 이곳을 책임지고 있는 정부 요원 벨리코프를 만나게 되죠.
I publish the video game version of Tetris in Japan, and I'm here to license the worldwide handheld rights from you.
He inquires what is Nintendo.
외국과의 문화 교류가 금지되어 있는 나라인지라 닌텐도조차 알지 못하는 벨리코프.
Nintendo is the most popular video game console in the world, sir.
그리고 행크는 엄청난 사실을 전해 듣게 되는데
He says Elorg never licensed Tetris video game rights to anyone ever.
No, that can't be true. Look,
Он говорит, что здесь какая-то ошибочка.
Elorg licensed the rights to Robert Stein and Andromeda, Andromeda to Mirsoft, and Mirsoft's representative in Las Vegas took a look for software. They gave it to Mirsoft to send to you?
He denies obtaining a tape.
순식간에 테트리스 훔쳐답한 도둑놈이 되어버린 행크.
He thinks I stole Tetris?
Affirmative.
Советую вам немедленно покинуть госучреждение. В противном случае вы, как иностранный гражданин, будете арестованы и отправлены в тюрьму.
Figure out console.
Это недопонимание. Предлагает
And then we can talk
права
handheld.
на приставки и потом обсудить. He says return in tomorrow at 9 o'clock, but I must warn
Okay.
you.
Okay, great. Thanks. Thanks. I need an international payphone.
International payphones do not exist in Soviet Union. Hank, your hotel has phone.
Okay.
Anywhere from 8 hours to a week.
What?
Mr. Rogers, a word, please.
Foreigners are not allowed in government buildings without formal invitation. Go home. Understood?
같은 시각
Mr. Maxwell, Valentin Trifonov.
케빈 역시 테트리스 저작권 문제로 러시아를 찾게 되고 고르바초프와 친분이 있었던 아버지 덕에 공산당 최고 간부 트리포노프가 그를 마중 나와 있었죠.
Morning, Sasha.
다음 날
Any chance I can cajole you into changing your mind?
Not a chance.
Готово?
엘로르그엔 테트리스 개발자인 알렉세이 또한 와 있었는데요.
The inventor of Tetris.
Я хочу, чтобы вы знали, я вам не верю.
Mr. Belikov would like you to know that he doesn't trust you. And you, sorry, these are not my words, are a liar and a thief.
Пожалуйста, товарищ Беликов, продолжайте. Sorry, but who are you? Please sit.
이미 미로소프트와 쿵짝쿵짝이 끝난 트리포노프는 행크를 도둑으로 매도하며 협박하게 됩니다.
Your visa says you're a tourist, but you're not. Your Tetris game says you licensed it, but you did not. Well, another crime. You go home today, cease production of Tetris. All will be forgiven.
I'm not going home without a deal.
Другие покупатели уже здесь?
사실 벨리코프는 국가에 가장 이득이 되는 구매자에게 테트리스 저작권을 넘기려 재고 있는 중이었죠.
Alexei, I just want to say that your game is brilliant. I have so many questions. But first, I want you to know that when I clear up this misunderstanding, I'm going to make you a millionaire.
Mr. Rogers, I do not have right to receive money from my game. It is communism.
If I'm a thief, why would I come to Moscow and proudly show you my game? Yeah, but if I already stole video game and arcade rights, what would stop me from stealing handheld?
Для игровых автоматов.
Mr. Belikov inquires as to why you mention arcade rights. Elorg never transacted arcade rights to anyone, Hank.
So you're saying the only version of Tetris you ever licensed was for personal computers?
도대체 뭐가 어떻게 꼬인 것인지 알아내기 위해
Can I see the contract you signed?
Можно мне посмотреть контракт, который вы...
행크는 일단 벨리코프에게 스타인과 했던 계약서를 보여달라고 요청하게 되죠.
But Stein and Microsoft are selling Tetris video game and arcade rights worldwide.
그곳엔 뒤늦게 오락실과 휴대용 저작권을 따기 위해 온 스타인까지 대기하고 있는 상태였습니다.
I'm here to shore up contracts for arcade and handheld rights.
Please, Mr. Stein, 1 minute.
Mr. Belikov, thank you very much for agreeing to meet.
Mr. Belikov asks, what is this?
이제 벨리코프는 세 사람을 오가며 진상 파악을 하기 시작하죠.
Пиратская копия.
Do you think it's pirated?
I don't know. Maybe. So, could we talk about handheld Tetris?
До завтра, спасибо.
I read the contract
Я прочел контракт.
and I agree.
Согласен.
You never intentionally sold video game rights to Robert Stein. This is a Nintendo, and this is a personal computer.
사실인즉슨 소련은 이런 자본주의 국가식 계약서에 익숙치 않아 계약서 자체가 아주 허술했던 것이었고 스타인은 모양이 비슷한 게임기까지 컴퓨터로 적용해 이 저작권을 교묘히 이용했던 것이었죠.
What's the difference?
No keyboard for Nintendo.
No keyboard for Nintendo. You speak English? Of course you do. Robert Stein screwed you, but legally speaking, he didn't steal from you, which means I didn't steal from you. Next time, define computer so you can hold on to your video game rights.
What about arcade?
There's nothing in that contract about arcade rights.
게다가 오락실 저작권은 그냥 훔쳐다 판 상황.
How much are they worth?
$150,000.
Is paragraph 40 a more prudent definition of PC computer?
Whereas PC computers consist of processor, monitor, disk drive, and keyboard. Yeah, much better. Where does he keep running to?
일단 행크의 말대로 벨리코프는 오락실 저작권 15만 달러와 컴퓨터를 제정한 새 계약서를 가지고 스타인에게로 가게 됩니다.
I need a night to read the contract.
도둑놈 스타인. 계속 말을 돌리며 자기 얘기하기 바쁜 케빈. 벨리코프 입장에선 국가를 위해 누구 편에 서야 할지 이미 답이 나온 상태였었죠.
He says we are done for the day.
But we haven't discussed handheld yet.
До завтра.
What are you offering for Tetris?
The exclusive publishing rights?
사실 케빈은 공산주의 국가의 정치적 성향을 이용해 물물교환식으로 테트리스를 먹으려 하고 있었는데요.
You don't care about money.
Communism is dying.
미로소프트를 적극적으로 도와주던 트리포노프에게도 다 그만한 꿍꿍이 속이 있었죠.
You want me to bribe you?
Nobody becomes a billionaire by being honest, Mr. Maxwell.
If you are in search of a pawn, I do suggest you fuck off.
$100,000 US.
That is not what I'm asking. Oh, perhaps I'll ask Mr. Rogers.
Hank Rogers has no money. 400. Final offer.
Okay, then.
I'm from Holland, but I grew up in New York.
Mr. Rogers, I don't need small talk.
Then can I come to your house?
Having a foreigner in one's home is crime here. Just call me.
언제 어디서 감시를 받을지 모르는 상황이었기에 말조차 편하게 할 수 없는 알렉세이.
Зачем нам рисковать? How did you find Tetris, Hank?
I was at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. I saw your husband's game.
And then you stole it.
Nina.
미국인을 적으로 생각하는 이들에게 행크를 믿는 것은 당연히 어려운 상황이었지만
So, you are a game designer, Hank?
And a programmer. Well, no, I've mostly been doing sales lately. Assembler's my go-to.
얼마 지나지 않아 행크와 알렉세이는 그들만의 공통 분모를 찾게 됩니다.
This is it? The original?
Can I play? We should allow up to 4 lines to disappear at once.
I never thought of that. Hank?
Hi.
이들은 테트리스에 미흡했던 점을 단 몇 분 만에 업그레이드 시켜버리게 되죠.
Life is hard, and we deserve our small celebration.
그런데
Stay quiet.
Let's go.
Добрый вечер. У вас не будет немного соли?
Соли? Соседка.
Лёша, пожалуйста.
Sorry, Hank, you have to go.
Okay.
줄곧 트리프노프에게 미행당하고 있었던 행크.
Go home!
놈들에게 흠씬 쥐어터지게 되고
Hank? They searched my apartment too.
행크를 도와준 샤샤까지 위험에 처하게 생긴 상황이었죠.
You're a foreigner attempting to buy Russian property.
Just a video game.
Don't sacrifice everything for this.
Married.
Знаешь, у вас очень хороший папа. Has your father ever told you what happened to his father? He should. Because, you know, history is a very strange way of repeating itself.
다음 날
International phone is ready. You have 3 minutes.
Hi, I need you to call our lawyer, have him fax a lawyer my contract with Microsoft. I'll fill in the details.
Some Russians came into the office, threatening me to tell you to come home.
What? Kemi?
한시라도 빨리 저작권을 해결하기 위해 엘로르그로 향하던 행크.
You son of a bitch.
이제서야 경쟁이 붙었다는 걸 알게 된 스타이는 급한 마음에 컴퓨터가 제정이 된 새 계약서에 다급히 서명을 하게 되죠.
Okay, handheld. How much?
We'll come back.
No. No, no!
그의 사인과 동시에 게임기기용 저작권을 잃게 된 것이나 마찬가지였던 것을 스타이는 까맣게 모르고 있었습니다.
What the hell is going on? My hotel room gets trashed, and now I find out you're negotiating with Robert Stein. You guys, you think that I'm the enemy? It's about giving Alexei his due and showing the world the Soviet Union is about more than just missiles and military might. $25,000 up front.
Why so little?
솔직히 말해 이제 돈이 없는 행크는 지금 당장 눈앞이 아닌 게임보이가 가져올 엄청난 미래의 비전을 설명하게 되죠.
How many games you expect to sell?
It's 20 million. That means you get $5 million.
벨리코프에게 있어 행크의 딜은 당연히 소련 정부를 위한 최고의 거래 조건이었습니다.
Николай Евгеньевич?
Я это делаю для нашей страны, товарищ Трифонов, для Советского Союза.
하지만 도청을 통해 모든 것을 알게 된 트리포노프. 미러소프트와 계약하라 벨리코프를 푸시하게 되죠.
Потому что Советский Союз решил, что Тетрис получит Microsoft.
Mirasoft is prepared to offer the Russian publishing rights to its Collier's encyclopedias worth $2 million.
And royalties?
Oh, for Christ's sake, Mr. Belikov, I just offered you the deal of a lifetime.
벨리코프는 순간 머리를 써
You see, choosing the offer with no real money looks suspicious.
All expenditures have to be approved by my board, mind you, but unofficially, I can offer a log $1 million by the end of the week.
And royalties?
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Все, хватит.
If you wire us $1 million in 1 week. We promise Mirasoft worldwide handheld Tetris.
구두 계약은 믿을 수 없다며 일주일 안에 비공식적으로 $100만 송금하면 저작권을 넘겨주겠다는 가계약서를 작성하게 되고 행크를 배웅하는 척하며
You have 1 week to make an offer for worldwide handheld rights.
You have my offer. I'm ready to sign now. What is going on?
You must sign a letter of intent first. It's protocol.
그에게 역시 똑같은 가계약서에 서명을 시키게 됩니다.
Why are you helping me, Belikov?
I'm doing what is the best of my country.
행크에게 시간을 벌어주기 위해 벨리코프가 생각해낸 작전이었던 것이죠.
We did it. Handheld rights. And they're promising worldwide video game rights too.
아직 그 누구와도 거래가 완전히 성립되지 않은 상태.
When I was a boy, my father was professor at Moscow University. And in 1965, a colleague of his was jailed for selling his book abroad. He lost his professorship and was barred from holding a real job ever again. But they're doing it again, Hank.
Wait,
That's the member of the Communist Party Central Committee, speaking to his agent.
Sasha is KGB.
And he just found out that the Lord promised you Tetris.
Не слишком торопливо. Ему еще работать.
Едем в аэропорт быстро.
Gentlemen, Robert Maxwell, chairman of Mirror.
How can we help you today, sir?
I think I've got something you want.
하지만 이번에도 미러소프트는 또 저작권을 따왔다 속여 닌텐도와 이미 계약을 해버린 상태였었죠.
I'm sorry you didn't get the Game Boy rights for Tetris. We gotta go with Mirasoft. Listen, we'll find something else to work on. All right?
Wait.
Bye-bye.
얼마 후 비밀리에 알렉세이를 찾은 벨리코프.
Всю свою жизнь я посвятил моей стране. Мы превращаемся в страну воров. Но вы можете еще все исправить.
아직 모든 게 끝난 상태가 아니란 걸 행크에게 꼭 알려야만 했었죠.
Он знает, что делать.
미러소프트와 엘로르그의 가계약서를 행크에게 보내주기로 계획하게 됩니다.
Что там делаете?
How are you? Congratulations on Tetris.
I need $1 million in accounting saying we don't have it.
Why do you need $1 million?
For Tetris.
Son, we don't have to pay the Russians anything.
No, it was a competitive bid, and that's the deal I struck.
Leave it to me. Good job, son.
Let's sue the fuck out of them. This is the lowest of the low.
But that doesn't solve the problem.
Sir, excuse me, sir, you can't.
드디어 행크가 모든 진실을 손에 들고 닌텐도를 찾아오고
What the fuck is that?
Atari stole our patent. They hacked the NES, and now they're manufacturing and selling our cartridges. Guess what their first game is?
They do not have the rights.
They do in America, I checked.
No, they don't.
What? No rights for Tetris. Granted, come back and make offer ASAP. What do you mean, no rights?
I don't have the video game rights in Japan because Stein and Mirasoft never had the right to sell them to me or to these guys.
Wait, you telling me Atari doesn't have Tetris in America?
I'm telling you, Atari doesn't have Tetris anywhere.
사기꾼들이 판치는 이 테트리스 게임판을 깨끗이 정리코자 다시 소련으로 떠나게 되는데 지난 3월 31일 애플 TV 플러스에서 공개된 테트리스는 실제 테트리스 저작권 분쟁을 다룬 실화를 기반으로 만들어진 영화인데요. 우리에게 너무나 익숙한 테트리스의 중독성 있는 배경음악과 함께 킹스맨과 블랙버드에서 역대급 연기를 보여주었던 에저턴의 현실적인 연기가 더해져 정말 보는 내내 긴장감 있게 몰입할 수 있었던 작품이었고요. 우리들의 주머니를 털어섰던 너무나도 익숙한 이 아타리 테트리스. 이 아타리 테트리스가 불법이었다는 사실도 이 작품을 보면서 알게 되었네요. 실제 테트리스의 개발자 알렉세이는 1991년 소련이 붕괴된 후 미국으로 이주했고 그동안 보상받지 못했던 테트리스 로열티를 행크가 받을 수 있도록 해주었다고 합니다. 아직까지도 알렉세이와 행크는 사업 동지로 친분을 유지하고 있다고 해요. 이곳은 전쟁이 한창 중인 베트남의 최전방 교전 지역.
We're halfway home. Halfway? On the count of 3, follow me. 1, 2, 3.
치키는 가방 속 엄청난 물건을 전달하기 위해 지금 막 뉴욕에서 2만 킬로를 날아와 이곳에 도착한 상태였었는데요.
Tell him he's got a visitor.
What's your name, sir?
Oh, just call him in. I kind of want to surprise him.
수소문 끝에 고향 친구 중 하나인 덕원이 매복 경계를 서고 있는 교전 지역에 도착했었던 치키.
Dugan, report to TOC ASAP. Over.
Right now? That's 200 meters and our situation's hot.
Right now.
You want to see me, Sarge? Ta-da!
치키가 목숨줄 내놓고 이곳까지 온 이유는 단 하나.
What are you doing here?
I brought you beer.
친구들에게 고향 맥주를 선사하기 위함이었죠. 온갖 산전수전은 일찌감치 경험했을 법한 심하게 사가 보이는 치키는 사실 철들려면 아직 멀은 20대 청년이었는데요.
Get your ass out of bed, you lazy bum. Come on.
매일 늦게까지 술 자시고 하루 온종일 주무시는 이 집안 상전이셨죠.
Yeah. Ah!
What are you doing tonight, Chicky?
What do you think he's doing? It's the same every night with him, right? He's out for a toot, he sleeps all day, he's a good time chickie.
Oh, this is my time to kick back and relax a little, like a professor on summer break.
Oh yeah, you're a professor. And your grandmother's Miss America.
Oh, come on. Do we gotta start this
Hey, you
again?
know what? It's my house. He's gonna live by my rules. He wants to be a drunkard. He wants to sleep all day. Maybe he should get his own place.
거기다 옳은 말은 얼마나 따박따박 잘하시는지.
When I was your age, I had 2 jobs. I had 3 kids. I had a wife.
So it's my fault you knocked up Mount High School.
Hey!
Chicky!
엄마 아빠의 로맨틱한 과거사는 순식간에 도마위 생선이 되기 일쑤였죠.
We got pregnant after we were married.
Oh, come on, Ma.
그런데
Johnny Conniff's dead.
얼마 전 징집되어 떠난 동네 친구가 전사했다는 소식을 접하게 됩니다.
What do you say? He just got there. Family can be proud. He died a hero, that boy.
For his country to do what?
Hey, Christine, this ain't the time.
8 kids from this neighborhood are dead already. How many is it gonna take before you all wake up?
사실 당시 미국은 분단된 남북 베트남 내전에 개입한 상태였었는데요.
This is bullshit. They should not be showing this on TV.
점차 미국, 소련을 포함한 여러 나라의 군대가 개입하면서 자본주의와 공산주의의 이념이 대립하는 국제전으로 변화된 상황이었습니다.
Tommy's MIA.
Who are we even fighting, huh?
That would be the Reds. The guys who want to come over and take over everything.
They said there are no bad guys. It's just a revolutionary war. And the people they're defending, they don't even want us there in the first place.
Look at these scumbags.
이로 인해 진보적인 청년계층에선 명분도 없이 죽어나가는 무고한 젊은이들의 희생을 막기 위해 반대 시위들을 벌이고 있었죠.
What the hell are you doing?
하지만 치키의 생각은 좀 달랐습니다.
Because this ain't helping nobody.
At least I'm trying to get him home alive. Everyone's doing something and you're doing nothing.
이미 선택의 여지 없이 징집되어간 청년들에게 사기를 불어넣어주는 쪽이 더 옳다고 생각하고 있었죠.
I'm doing this to honor his memories, you dumb shit.
They died to save us from communism.
This war isn't about stopping communism. It's about spreading imperialism.
And this is exactly what the enemy wants, to see us divided, fight. You know what I'd like to do? I'd like to go over to Vietnam.
그런데
and track down Reynolds, Collins, Pappastu, all the boys in the neighborhood, and just give them a beer.
소시적 대령이셨던 술집 사장님의 말을 듣고
I could do that. Bring in beer.
Are you serious, chick?
Could, would, and will. That's a promise.
덥석 호언장담, 친구들과 약속을 해버리고만 치키.
It'll prop our boys up. Maybe a good old American beer will remind them what they're fighting for.
Because I'm going to Vietnam and I'm bringing them beer! And then once I get over there, how am I even going to track them down, you know?
술김에 강큰 말을 던져놓긴 했지만
Chicky, when you're in Vietnam, you're going to visit my son, right? 127th MP Company.
동네에는 이미 소문이 쫙 다 퍼진 상태.
Like, I don't even know if it's possible for me to get over there.
And when you see him, please give him a hug for me.
I want you to bring this to Tommy when you see him. Thank you, Chicky.
어째 분위기가 빼도 박도 못하는 안 가면 개자식 소리를 듣게 생긴 상황이었죠.
I never said I was going to Vietnam. I said I was going to try to go.
No, I'm pretty sure you said you was going and that you was bringing beer.
Shit, Noodle! Read between the lines. How the hell can I control if there's a boat or not?
Okay. Nah, don't worry about those guys. They don't really think you're going.
What? They don't think I'm going?
Well, you're not going, right?
Why do they think I'm not going?
게다가 자기를 핫바지로 보는 절친들 때문에 일타로 자존심이 까이고
You know that you're bringing beer to your friends in Vietnam.
Richie Reynolds' girlfriend Jeannie dropped these socks off.
Mr. Collins dropped off $33 for Tommy so he could pay back his poker losses, and he wants you to tell him to stop.
How would bringing beer be supporting them?
It's about friendship and loyalty, something you know nothing about.
It's how he's going to get all the Clydesdales on the boat.
가족들마저 이 숭고한 일을 비웃기 시작하는데
You three don't laugh at him. You'll talk him into this foolishness and get him killed.
Stop it, Catherine. No one's ever gotten killed sleeping until 3 in the afternoon. Chicky's fine.
No chance you have a ship heading to Vietnam anytime soon, right?
Cargo ship, Drake, get ready to push off.
No shit.
이래저래 핑곗거리를 찾으며 정작 본인조차도 설마 하고 있었는데요.
But I doubt they need an oil at this late in the game. They're still one short.
누가 알고 시간 맞춰 예약이라도 해놓은 듯 배편뿐 아니라 일자리까지 완벽하게 준비되어 있었죠.
What, in 3 hours?
Yeah. Goes out of Jersey, straight through Panama, then straight to Nam. Should be there in 2 months or so.
출항 시간은 3시간 후. 생각할 겨를도 없이 등 떠밀려가는 심정으로 맥주 챙겨 승선하게 된 치키. 이렇게 2달이라는 시간이 흐르고 드디어 배는 베트남 사이공에 정박하게 됩니다.
3 days leave. You got some nuts on you, Donahue. No one's getting off this ship. We're in a goddamn war zone.
I need to find my stepbrother.
Stepbrother? He's not your goddamn real brother? No way.
But he is my real brother, sir. My mom is his mom. My stepdad, Ricky's dad, just died. I don't want Ricky to read the news in a letter.
최대한 불쌍한 척하며 엄마 아빠까지 팔아 간신히 사흘간의 휴가를 받아내게 되죠. 이제 고향 친구들을 찾아 맥주를 전해주기만 하면 되는 치키.
You guys ain't with the 127MP Company.
What about it?
Don't happen to know a guy named Tommy Collins from New York?
Yeah, we know Collins.
No shit.
운 좋게도 근처에 주둔하고 있는 같은 소속 헌병의 도움으로
Hey, buddy. He is in there somewhere. Thanks, guys.
첫 번째 고향 친구 콜린스는 수월하다면 수월하게 찾을 수 있었죠.
Chicky, what the hell are you doing here? This screwy friend just came 10,000 nautical miles to deliver your ass a sudsy thank you card.
Still can't believe you came all this way just to bring me a beer.
Not just you.
Came for Dugan, Reynolds, Pappas, all the guys.
It's the dumbest thing I ever heard of.
So I got this from your old man. $33 to pay off your poker debt.
Thank you. I mean, what the hell?
그때
What the hell's going on? Attention!
막사 안으로 들어온 창교.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Chicky Donahue.
And what the hell are you doing here?
Just traveling around.
You're traveling in country, alone.
Yeah, that's right.
하지만
Understood? Did he just have a stroke?
No. Don't you get it? He thinks the man Don Ho here is a tourist.
What do you mean? I am a tourist.
Tourist is what we call CIA.
CIA, get the hell out of here.
사실 관광객은 이곳에서 비밀 CIA 요원을 칭하는 암호였었죠.
He thinks I'm CIA? Like James Bond? In that case.
아직까지도 칙은 이곳에 오기로 했던 결정이 자기 인생을 통틀어 가장 잘한 일이었다고 생각하고 있었죠.
Reynolds is over there. And Dugan's up here somewhere.
What if he starts up here with Dugan and then hustles down to Reynolds.
Yeah.
And then back down to Pappas?
Give me that thing. Stop helping him. What are you trying to do? Get him killed?
I didn't come all this way just to quit after one
You
night.
don't get it, do you, chick? This isn't a John Wayne movie, all right? Where you know who the good guys are and you know who the bad guys are, all right? This is guerrilla warfare. And they can come at you from anywhere at any time. Chickie, even if you wanted to do this, there's no way for you to get around. The only non-military people who can travel the country are the press.
친구의 말에서 힌트를 얻은 칙. 기자들이 있다는 캐러벨 호텔로 향하게 됩니다.
You American? Yeah.
You from Oklahoma?
New York.
Near Oklahoma?
No, not really. Not even close.
Lie, Oklahoma. Good movie.
Do you know where the Caravel Hotel is around here?
Shoot out. On left?
Okay. Hey, Oklahoma. Thanks a lot.
호텔에 들어서니 진짜 기자 천지.
Hey, how's it going? I'm American.
당시 정부 지도자들은 정치적인 목적으로 전쟁에서 이기고 있다는 뉴스를 언론을 통해 내보내고 있었는데요.
This is bullshit. All over Vietnam and that the communists are running for the hills.
하지만 실상은 완전히 반대인 최악의 상황.
Turn that lying asshole off.
Whoa! That's the President of the United States you're talking about. He deserves some respect.
You expect us to respect the man who's telling the American people we're actually winning the war?
Mister, people back home get their news from you guys. And look, let's face it, it ain't all been that positive lately.
Why should it be positive?
So they don't lose hope. It's going crazy out there. You're taking the wind out of everyone's sails. Look, I'm just saying, you might want to support our boys every once in a while.
Telling the truth about this war is being supportive.
사실 치킨은 정부의 입장을 지지하는 쪽에 더 가까웠었죠.
How are you supporting them?
I support them in like many ways, in lots of different
Yeah,
ways.
that's what I figured.
Okay, for one thing, I just traveled 12,000 nautical miles to bring all my enlisted friends a gift.
What kind of gift?
Beer. Listen, the beer's not the point. The point is that I'm trying to show them that somebody back home still gives a shit. Well, then do you think you guys can help me out? I need to hop a plane to LZJ.
Sorry, buddy.
They won't even let us out there. Impossible to get around in my country right now. Military travel only.
Military, huh? Oh, I'm trying to get to Ben.
무작정 차를 얻어 타고 비행기가 있는 공군기지로 향하게 됩니다.
Hey, thank you. Do you have a plane heading to LZJ?
And what's your rank, sir?
Oh, I'm not military.
Well, that's gonna have to be cleared with the captain, sir.
You can go get him. Get him!
You the guy trying to get to LZ Jane?
Yeah, that's right.
You're civilian?
Yes, as far as you're concerned.
Oh, it's one of you guys. Why didn't you say so, Private?
이곳에서도 칙을 특수 작전 중인 CIA로 생각하고 있었고 이곳에 중위까지 붙여주며 치키를 도와주라 명하게 되죠.
So, what can I do you for?
Well, I need a lift to LZ Jane.
Not a problem. I can have a bird ready for you in 60 minutes.
So, any chance you can brief us a little about what you guys are planning? You can trust us.
Come on, Habishaw. If you could trust us, he wouldn't be a very good CIA agent, now would he?
Not that I am a CIA agent.
뭐 이제는 요원이 아니라고 해도 믿지 않는 지경.
I'm here to deliver beer to a friend.
Keg?
Cans.
Wow, it's gonna be a shit show, isn't it?
If you and your people ever need any help, and you need it to be under the radar, I'm your guy. If it's not asking too much, you think you can maybe put in a positive word for me?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I very much appreciate it. You need my name and company? No, we'll find you.
이렇게 군의 도움을 받아 LGJ인 교전 지역에 도착하게 됩니다.
I'm looking for Rick Dugan. Let me see your papers. I don't have any. No orders, no papers. Mission classified. God damn it, they never tell me shit.
하지만 이곳은 콜린스가 있는 사이공과는 상황이 많이 달랐죠. 1, 2초 사이에 생사가 결정되는 초긴장 상태로 멘탈을 부여잡고 버텨야만 하는 그런 곳이었습니다.
He's on his way.
Okay. I'm gonna hide here. You guys cover me with this.
고향 맥주를 보며 즐거워할 덕원만을 생각한 채 해맑게 숨바꼭질을 하던 치키.
You want to see me, Sarge? No.
Ta-da!
Chicky? What are you doing here?
I brought you beer. Me and all the fellas were sitting around talking about what we could do to bring your spirits up, and then bang, it hit us. Bring you a beer. So I brought you a beer.
Dumb shit! You almost got me killed out there!
덕원은 이런 치키가 낭떠러지에 매달려 있는 친구에게 아이스크림을 내미는 철부지 어린애로밖에 보이질 않았죠.
You delivering beer in a battle zone?
Yeah, so it said fine. I just came from seeing Collins. He didn't mind.
You found Collins?
Yeah.
You mean to tell me this asshole's a civilian? Yes, Sarge. Is he nuts? This is a goddamn war, Donahue. You shouldn't be here. Chicky, get back to your boat right now. Can we get a egg beater in tonight and, scoot him out of here?
It's too dangerous. Nothing's flying till morning.
So what am I supposed to do with him?
Hell if I know. He's yours now. Take him with you.
덕원은 치키를 자신이 매복하고 있는 참호로 데려갈 수밖에 없는 상황이 되고 마는데요.
What's this for?
To shoot the bad guys, Dodo. If it looks like you're gonna be taken for prisoner, shoot yourself or they'll torture you for info.
For info? Hold on, I don't have any info.
They don't know that, asshole.
I know guns. I was in the military.
Where'd you serve?
Massachusetts.
Yeah, give me that.
Let's go back.
Just as bad going back as it is going forward.
Let's just stay here.
Yeah, we're in no man's land.
So, I'm okay with that.
We gotta keep going.
운 좋게도 총 한 발 맞지 않고 매복 진영에 도착한 이들.
What's going on? We okay?
NVA are out there moving around. How many beers you bring?
무슨 재미삼아 마실 나온 듯한 칙 때문에 잔뜩 화가 나 있었던 덕원이었지만
Now would be the time to pass them out.
Okay.
살아서 돌아갈 수 있을지나 모르는 고향의 그리운 냄새가 배어있는 이 맥주가
Not as good.
잠시나마 전쟁의 피비린내를 잊게 해준 것은 사실이었습니다.
Reynolds is dead.
What? Any word on Minot?
No.
이렇게 찾아가려 했던 나머지 두 친구의 소식을 전해들은 칙.
Okay, guys, we're heading out.
One breakfast beer first.
Oh. Hey, fellas, smile.
Reynolds' girlfriend wanted me to give these to him. Guess you could use them.
두 친구의 기억을 가슴에 묻은 채 어쩔 수 없이 배가 정박하고 있는 사이공으로 돌아가기로 하는데요. 그런데
Hey, can you take me to Saigon? Is that where you're bringing him? Bringing who?
엉뚱한 헬리콥터에 타게 되고 설상가상으로 투어리스트 진짜 CIA를 만나게 됩니다.
Where's the rest of them? How can I know? He said doesn't know anything.
Okay. Strap in. Time to see if this piece of shit can fly.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey!
You got 10 seconds or you're going out the door! I'm serious! What the hell are you doing?
He's swearing he doesn't know anything!
Well, tell me when I make something up or he's going out!
Come on, man! Just tell him to tell him what he wants!
We got it!
Okay!
그런데 정보를 캐낸 후 포로를 냅다 던져버리는 요원. 눈앞에서 엄청난 정부의 비밀 같은 것을 봐버린 치키.
What's this? This isn't Saigon.
The hell are you talking about? Your partner told me to land at Compton.
Who are you again?
Just a tourist, like you.
Yeah?
하지만 이 정도 일로 개시겁하는 그를 보고 요원은 뭔가 수상쩍은 것을 감지하게 됩니다. 베트남 내전과 다국의 전쟁 간섭으로 사실 지금은 누가 적인지 구분할 수 없는 실정이었기에 까딱하면 적으로 오인받고 개죽음 당하기 십상일 듯 보였죠.
Sorry, sir. I can't find nothing going to Saigon. I could ask the helicopter you came in on if he could take you to Saigon.
No, I can't go on that. Pleiku. Do they have choppers?
Sure. It's a helicopter base. Give me a second. Let me see what I can do.
그런데
Tell you what. I'll give you a lift over to Pleiku myself.
You can just leave your post like that?
특별한 초이스가 없긴 했지만 기지를 이탈해 자기를 데려다 준다는 게 아무래도 석연치 않은 치키.
Which way's your head? I gotta take a leak.
Last turn left. I'll meet you out front.
Thank you.
역시 그를 잡기 위해 지프에는 CIA 요원이 숨어있는 상황이었죠.
It's running. Let's go.
이미 적으로 간주된 듯한 치키. 바짝 그를 추격해 정글 깊숙한 곳까지 들어오게 되는데
Alright, let's get out of here.
간신히 아군들을 따돌리게 됩니다. 군입대를 망설이는 토미를 설득해 이곳으로 보내는 데 일조했었던 치키.
Am I doing the right thing enlisting?
Of course you're doing the right thing, Tommy.
It's confusing. I mean, all the shit you hear about what's going on over there, and everyone's got a different point of view.
Who does?
Like my Uncle Leo, he doesn't even know who the Nazis are over there.
You're going over there to defend the United States of America. How could that possibly not be the right thing to do?
Yeah, you're right, Chick.
하지만 자신이 말한 것처럼 정녕 친구들은 조국을 위해 희생되고 있었던 것이었을까요? 그동안 미처 생각해보지 않았던 사실들을 깨달으며 정처 없이 걷다 이윽고 밤이 깊어지게 되는데요. 그때 지나가던 정찰병들에게 발각이 되고
Chicky? Chicky freaking Donahue? Kevin McClung from Dykeman Street! Jesus, what the hell are you doing here? Looney?
거기서 우연히 또 다른 고향 친구 맥쿨룬을 만나게 되죠.
Am I dead? Why are you in the middle of the jungle in the middle of Vietnam?
Long story, but the CIA, they're after me, man. They're trying to kill me.
So you came to Vietnam?
No, I came to deliver Dugan and Reynolds and the other Inwoods guys beers.
Wait, you're CIA?
No, what? No. They thought that I was one of them because a major came up to me, he saw how I was dressed, so I went along with it, like, for a second, and then they started throwing people out of the helicopter, and this kid, he said he could drive me all the way to Pleiku, like he could just leave his post.
Okay, buddy, okay.
Seriously?
Hey, take a breath, but get in the Jeep, Chick. Come on, we gotta get the hell out of here before we get killed. Come on.
결국 맥쿨룬의 도움으로 무사히 비행장에 도착한 치키.
Hey, Kev! I can't buy the time.
하지만 배는 이미 떠나버린 상태였었죠.
But the Drake wasn't supposed to leave till tomorrow.
Intel picked up chatter, enemy planning a raid.
적이 있을 거라는 정보로 탄약을 가득 실은 배는 예정보다 일찍 출항할 수밖에 없었던 것이었습니다.
My suggestion, go to your plan B.
일단 미 대사관을 찾아가기로 한 칙.
Oklahoma! New York? Hey, which way's the U.S. Embassy from here?
After war, I visit Oklahoma.
Why don't you stop over in New York and I'll buy you a beer?
There your embassy. Hey, what New York street you live on?
You serious? You really coming?
이렇게 희유의 인도로 칙은 미 대사관에 도착하게 되는데요.
Donahue, John Donahue.
I got a file on you. The captain of the Drake left a message for you. The captain said if you're not dead, he'll take you back on the ship if you can catch up with it.
Well, I'm not dead.
Not dead. I can get you on a flight out of Bien Hoa Air Base to Manila tomorrow night at 1900.
You're the greatest. Thank you.
I hope you have a safe trip back home. Everyone leaves Saigon. First the Chinese, then the French, next the Americans. After we fix it up, someone else comes, knocks it back down.
Every country America goes to war with, we leave it in better shape than we found it.
사실 미군들은 자신들이 베트남을 수호해주고 있다고 생각하고 있었지만
We opened our doors to them when they were running away from the commies.
Maybe they weren't running away from the commies. Maybe they were just running from the bombs.
그들에겐 모든 것을 다 떠나 가족들이 폭격을 맞지 않을 안전한 곳을 찾는 것이 우선이었죠.
I agree with him. They might smile at us, but they sure as shit don't want us here.
Maybe the ceasefire will make them happy.
When does this ceasefire start?
3 days ago.
Well, someone forgot to tell that to the people living up in the woods. They're still fighting like crazy up north.
Where'd you hear that?
I didn't hear it. I saw it.
What? You're serious?
Yeah.
He's drinking on me. All night.
But then why do you guys just report the bad stuff? That's what we hear back home. I mean, doesn't that hurt us? Like as a country.
The truth? The truth hurts us? No. The truth doesn't hurt us. It's the lies. The lies and the conspiracy to distort the truth. They're just kids. Good kids. Being patriots. Doing what their country asks. And I want the truth told for them. The people running this war, they're not patriots. And if the lies continue, they're just going to keep sending boys out here to be killed to justify the boys who already got killed.
정부의 보도와는 판이하게 다른 베트남의 실상을 직접 눈으로 본 칙은 코리스의 말에 반박할 수 없었습니다. 전쟁에 희생된 후 그들의 죽음이 정당화되고 있는 이곳의 진실을 말이죠. 그때 전쟁을 재개하는 예광탄이 터지고 본격적인 공격이 개시되기 시작하는데
Where are you going?
The embassy.
I'm going with you.
곳곳에 이미 베트공들이 진입한 상태였었죠.
No, don't shoot! Don't move!
Archie, do I dice with me? Yeah?
Go! Go!
간신히 기자로 둘러대고 대사관으로 향하려 하지만
Hey! Can you get us closer to the embassy? No, I told you, get your asses out of here before you...
Oklahoma?
Oklahoma!
눈앞에서 처참하게 죽어나가는 사람들의 모습을 보며 도대체 이것이 누구를 위한 전쟁인가라는 질문이 날카로운 빗으로 날아와 그의 가슴에 박히게 되죠. 원치 않는 개입까지 해가며 이념적 우위를 가리는 국제전쟁으로 발전시킨 소위 강대국들. 그리고 이 정치적 이념을 위해 희생되고 있는 수많은 젊은이들.
How did they get in here?
VC sappers blew the wall open.
Our guys blew that up. After the VC was already in here.
The military just briefed us. The VC blew it open and piled in.
게다가 거짓 포장되어 은폐되어지고 있는 이곳의 처참한 실상. 친구들의 사기 증진을 위해 어찌 보면 장난기 어리게 시작된 일이었었지만 치키는 철저히 국민들을 속여온 정부와 친구들의 죽음이 진정 가치 있었던 것인가 하는 가슴 아픈 질문들을 되뇌이게 되죠.
Bobby, holy shit, thank God.
Had to flatten my entire base to get you to visit me?
God damn, it's good to see you.
Heard a rumor you were coming bringing beer, some shit.
Yeah. For putting yourself on the line for us.
9월 30일에 공개된 애플 TV 플러스 따끈한 신작 지상 최대 맥주 배달 작전은 칙도노휴의 실화를 바탕으로 한 작품인데요. 뭐 하나 제대로 끝마치는 법이 없는 허당이었던 칙이 친구들에게 맥주를 가져다 주기 위해 베트남으로 가게 되면서 그의 삶과 관점이 바뀌어가는 과정을 그린 영화입니다. 실제로 그는 베트남에 다녀온 후 허당에서 벗어나 끝마치지 못했던 학교를 마무리하고 후에는 뉴욕을 대표하는 입법과 정치 책임자가 되었다고 하네요. 지금까지 시아무비였습니다. 감사합니다.